In this GolddRush review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that people are making $1,500 to $50,000 every month hands-free from Gold affiliate websites. I'm going to be showing you what's real about this and of course what isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out GolddRush, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Okay, last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I do have a bunch of extra bonuses that you are going to get if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page together. It says, want to join the financial markets takeover happening in 2022. Underground affiliates are grabbing $1,500 to $50,000 gold and silver affiliate commissions every month, totally hands-free, no experience, no trading knowledge, no tech skills needed. Now, they talk in here about how they're making like $15,000 per month doing this. Yeah, I don't know about that. I haven't seen enough proof to believe that these guys are actually making this kind of money. So if you purchase this, do not buy this based on the fact that you think like you're going to be making $15,000 per month by doing this. It's not going to happen. What this actually is and what it really does is it taps into the gold like affiliate marketing area. So you can actually build affiliate websites that are based around those kind of keywords. It's actually a useful website building tool, but I just don't want you to be thinking that with the hype on the page that you're going to magically start making money, because they say like activate it, click create a done for you gold silver website, attracting millions of visitors per day, and then we get paid $15,000 every month. Don't think that you're going to get paid $15,000 per month, because it's not going to happen. Just be clear about that. Now they have a screenshot here of it says one of the users even sold his gold and silver website for over $20,000 to a financial firm. Now, I don't know, like there's so much of this is blurred out here that I can't verify this at all for you. So again, and this right here, it's just a screenshot of affiliate commission. So and here's more proof. Now this proof right here is much more convincing, because it's just like two conversions, paying $171, a conversion $169, one conversion paying $197. This is much more like realistic to me than this other stuff here. But again, I know that there are people that make a ton of money doing affiliate marketing in this niche, but I just don't want you to be like thinking that, oh, you're going to buy this and you're going to start making that kind of money, because that just doesn't happen. There's no push button, get rich quick type thing. It just doesn't exist out here. These testimonials, I don't think they are real. Like, I don't think these are real testimonials. If they are, I would love to have some links to these people's Facebook profiles and see that they're actually real people. If I can contact them and say hi and ask them if this is really their testimonials, that would be great. I would love to do that. I would post an update underneath this review if that's something that is real. But okay, they talk about how valuable this niche is, etc. We're making over $15,000 every month. Again, I would love to see more proof of that. Show me log into your accounts and show me that your affiliate commissions, and then I will be much more likely to believe you that this is actually happening. I need more proof. I'm skeptical. What can I do? What can I say? I'm very, very skeptical when it comes to these kind of things, because I've seen this kind of stuff over and over again. And like this kind of a sales page can just be made easily. But anyways, so yeah, that's the sales page here. If we go down, you get a bunch of bonuses, blah, 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 blah. If you purchase, you get access to the software tutorials. They've got a bunch of bonuses for you. Now they said there was a $15,000 in 7 days with the done for you kit. I couldn't find that. Maybe it's somewhere else, but I couldn't find that in my access to this. But anyways, so what I'm going to do now is play you a quick demo so you can actually see what this is. Then I'm going to come back and show you a little bit more and the OTOs and the discounts. Before I do that, I almost forgot. One thing you should do when you come to the sales page is move your mouse away. If you are considering getting this, you can get a discount. I'm in class as an affiliate by showing you those discounts. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. I almost knocked my water over. Okay, let's take a look at the demo.
Welcome to GolddRush, the world's first ever system that pays $15,000 plus every month by tapping into the $275.4 billion gold and silver industry. We've adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 4 easy-to-follow steps, which practically anyone can do, and start enjoying your piece of that huge pie, starting today. Step 1. Research. GolddRush lets you find powerful domains like a pro for any niche, especially for the gold and silver market, by using an untapped source of powerful domains for search engine rankings. GolddRush also lets you find hot long-tail buyer keywords in a matter of seconds, and with just a click, with valuable data such as volume, CPC, competition, and trends, and be able to use them right away for creating your content. Step 2. Connect. GolddRush connects your website in seconds with just a few clicks. You simply need to click on Add Website. Add the site title and site URL, and click on the Add button, and that's it. And if you don't have a website just yet, we have you covered on that too, because we will provide you with a done-for-you template you will use to create your clean, professional-looking, traffic-pulling, and profit-generating gold and silver-related blog in just minutes, and with just a few clicks, saving you a ton of time and money. Step 3. Post. GolddRush has been prepared to create traffic-pulling and profit-generating content in seconds. Here you can add your post title. Here go the post tags. Here you can add your featured image. And here you can add your post content. And if you would like your content to be 100% unique from any related content contained on the web, you can do so by using the spinner. Here you can select your website. Decide post status. Select an existing category or create a new one. And here you have 3 different ways to add advertising media in your post, especially for adding your affiliate links. You can add HTML code, add a banner, and add a call to action text. And you can decide to add it on top or in the bottom of the post content. And finally, create your post. Awesome, the post has been created. Let's take a look at it. And there you have it. Let's click on it. This looks just awesome. There you see the featured image, the post title, the post content, and the 3 different ads I decided to place around my content. And I created all of this awesome profit-generating content exclusively with GolddRush. And this is more than ready to send some profit-pulling traffic to it, right? GolddRush got you covered on that as well. Step 4. Advertise. GolddRush lets you place your blog in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in just a few clicks with a powerful traffic engine we have specially designed for this. We have designed a traffic generation app which is unique of its kind. This app lets you research among dozens, if not hundreds, of trendy images people are liking so you can get inspiration to build your own trendy image related to the affiliate offer you plan to promote. It lets you build your own image by using a really easy-to-handle image builder. And lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific. As you can see, the profit generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with GolddRush the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use the world's first ever system that pays $15,000 plus every month by tapping into the $275.4 billion gold and silver industry, then try GolddRush today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Okay, so we are back. So once you purchase, you'll have access to the members area here, like you saw in the demo here. I mean, this is what you get. It is a affiliate website builder, so that's great. Like I love affiliate websites, and you can create them very easily using the software. It's going to help you research it and connect it up and post to it, and it's a useful affiliate marketing tool. You can add in, you can monetize it. You can advertise here, it looks like. So it's if you're looking to build an affiliate website in the gold niche, in the silver niche, then this is a very useful tool, especially if you don't want to have it looks like for hosting and whatnot. Let's see, they're linking out to hosting, so it looks like they don't actually host your website for you. So they're saying that you can reach out and get a host. So it looks like that. Now, if we look at an actual site created with this, it looks like this is just linking out to an affiliate website. Let's see. No, it's not really. There's no sites built in. I wish I could show you an actual site created with this, but there are none in here. Anyways, there are multiple OTOs with this. So you can see them all here. There's the unlimited, there's the done for you, the automation, the traffic, 1 hour profits, and the reseller license. And there's a bundle where you get 4 extra apps too. It's not a bundle where you get like the entire sales funnel, but it's a bundle of other softwares. These are all optional here. There should be, if you move your mouse away on each page, there should be discounts on each one. Again, hit that like button, please. I appreciate it. But yeah, those are all the different OTOs. They're all optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about GolddRush and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, as always, the big screenshots of income that I don't believe actually exists. I don't like that. If you're going to give me income screenshots, if you're going to do that on your sales pages, prove to me without a shadow of a doubt that they are really from this method. I really need to see proof of it because I am skeptical. Sorry, I am. If you want to, Venkata and his team, if you're watching this and you want to shoot me a video, and I will share it right under this, and I'm happy to share that proof. I will post an update in the description saying that you guys have verified the proof, and we can all be happy. But it's just the way I am. I have to be skeptical. What do I like about this? If you are looking to build an affiliate website in the gold niche, then this can help you do that. That's a very profitable niche. You can make a lot of money. I know people that make tons of money in this niche. There's one guy, Kelly Felix. He's the guy who ran the Rich Jerk program. You might be familiar with that. It was a very popular, older program that actually helped a lot of people make money. He has an affiliate program that he runs, and he posts the results that people get with that. And he has affiliates that are making a ton of money, like hundreds of thousands from that program. So there's a lot of money to be made from it. If that's something that you want to do, you don't want to set up your own website, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at GolddRush, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.